In the menu, go to Composition and select Add to Render Queue. First, choose the render settings. Click on the blue text next to render settings to open the options. Unless you're working to specific requirements, you'll normally just want to make sure the quality is on best and the resolution is on full, and these should normally be selected already. Click OK, and you can now move to the second item, the output module. Again, click on the blue text next to output module, and this will bring up a window where you can choose the format you wish to export your composition in. A key thing to note here is that if you want to export your composition with a transparent background, make sure the format selected is QuickTime, and then within format options, you'll need to choose either the animation or Apple ProRes 4444 codec. And in the channels option, you'll need to make sure you've selected RGB plus Alpha. However, if you want to export the background of your composition as well, then you only need to select RGB for the channels. Hit OK, and the last step is to open the Output To window, and in here you can select where you want to save your composition and what you want to name it. Hit render and your composition will start to export.